Let's talk about race. Every one of us have a different race. It depends on what God's allow you to be in your race. So don't compare yourself to other people because you are different from them. The only thing that your enemy, no one is in your race, only you. So, huwag mo isipin na kulelat ka dahil yung iba nauuna na maging successful and you are still here. So, every one of us have a chances to win. Every one of us have a chances to be successful. But we have different time frame of when and where you become successful. It is your race, not everybody's race. Don't compare yourself to other because the moment you compare yourself to other, that was the time you deprive yourself. You have to trust yourself and you have to trust the time frame that God given to you. Hindi tayo pare-parehas ng time frame kung kailan magiging successful. But there is a perfect timing for that. Good thing, if you know someone that is successful, you learn from them. At least you have the knowledge coming from them that you can apply to your life. And you have to open your mind that every one of us had a different race. But remember, as long as you keep moving, you do something, you improve yourself, there's nothing problem about that. What matters most is that you keep moving. You're not quitting because the moment that you quit, the moment that you stop, that was the time that you finish your race. But as long as you believe in yourself, you keep doing something, whether it is slow or faster, it is your choice. Always it is in your hand whether what race you are in your life right now. So, it is your race. Wala kang ibang kalaban sa race na meron ka. It is you, yourself. So, every choices, every decisions that you have made, it is your who decide. It is your choice. Nasa iyo yan. Kung bibilisan mo, nasa iyo rin yan. Kung mananatili kang mabagal, pero surely there is a result. As long as wala kang tatapakan na ibang tao, as long as you keep moving, it is your race.